DmofwHi, this little coffee grinder has been so great for multiple reasons. I never really liked having a corded one because my outlets are behind my coffee machine, and so I always really struggled getting my coffee grinds in here and then pouring them into the coffee filter without spilling it everywhere. So I found this cordless coffee grinder. It has just a little spot. It's the Type-C charging cable, which I love because they're much more durable. And on the front here, it shows you how much battery is left. And what I really like is how mess-free it is, solely because the inside coffee grinder has a lid with a seal on it. So when I'm putting my coffee in there, I'm able to completely seal it. It's been great. I don't have a cord to mess around with. It's very easy. This actually even comes out, which makes pouring it into the coffee maker even easier in the morning. So if you're looking for a good portable option or something just to keep in your kitchen without having to worry about yet another cord, this one is an excellent find, and that's my point of view.